In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bring to front in Figma. Working with multiple layers in Figma is fundamental to creating complex designs. Often, you'll find yourself needing to adjust the stacking order of elements, especially when objects overlap. Whether you're arranging text over an image, placing an icon on top of a button, or simply reorganizing your design. Understanding how to bring a layer to the very front of its stack is a crucial skill. This simple action ensures that your most important visual elements are always visible and accessible, maintaining the desired hierarchy and visual flow of your project. Let's walk through the straightforward process of accomplishing this in Figma. Our first step involves precisely selecting the layer you wish to move to the front. To do this, simply locate the specific design element on your canvas that you want to adjust. Once you've identified it, move your cursor over that object and perform a right-click. This action will open up a context menu, which is a drop-down list of various commands and options pertinent to the selected object. It's important to be accurate here. Make sure you're clicking directly on the object itself, or if you're having trouble selecting it on the canvas, you can always navigate to the Layers panel on the left side of your Figma interface. There, you can click on the exact layer name to select it, and then right-click on that layer name to bring up the same context menu. This ensures you're targeting the correct element, especially in designs with many overlapping components. Once the context menu appears after your right-click, you'll see a list of actions. Our next step is to locate and click on the Bring to Front option. As you scan through the menu, you'll typically find this command nestled within the Arrange submenu, or sometimes directly visible depending on your Figma version and context. Clicking Bring to Front will instantly elevate your selected layer to the very top of its current stacking order within its parent frame or group. This means it will now sit above all other layers in that particular container, making it immediately visible and ensuring it's not obscured by any other elements. It's helpful to understand the distinction between Bring to Front and Bring Forward. While Bring to Front sends your layer all the way to the absolute top, Bring Forward only moves it up one step in the stacking order. For maximum efficiency, especially if you find yourself frequently adjusting layer order, Figma offers convenient keyboard shortcuts. On a Mac, you can use Command plus Shift plus keys to quickly bring a selected layer to the front and Command plus O to bring it forward one step. If you're using a Windows machine, the equivalent shortcuts are Control plus Shift plus E's for bring to front, and Control plus E's for bring forward. Mastering these shortcuts can significantly speed up your workflow and make your design process much smoother. Another powerful way to manage layer order is by utilizing the Layers panel itself. You can simply click and drag any layer up or down in the panel to visually adjust its position within the stack. This method offers granular control, allowing you to place layers exactly where you need them without relying solely on the context menu commands. And there you have it. By following these simple instructions, you can effortlessly manage the hierarchy of your design elements in Figma, ensuring your layouts are always clear, organized, and visually effective. Understanding these basic layer manipulation techniques is key to efficient and precise design work.